go into the kitchen. Where's the light switch in this place? Huh, the clock lights up. That's weird. Well, what's in this?
She will never know.
Hey, I just heard somebody talking there. Oh, brother.
Oh, I totally wasn't in here spying on Bonnie.
Dude, just get away from him, you creep. You're like really weird.
I may or may not be friends with a chicken that likes to stalk you.
What?
Oh, nothing.
You're weird. Can you just get out of the kitchen?
Maybe.
Come on, just leave. Or I'll have somebody else kick you out.
Who?
My foot.
Wait, would you literally kick me?
Uh-huh. I would. Don't mess with me, bunny. If you didn't know, I'm the oldest one out of all my friends.
Seriously?
Yeah, Jake is 9. Well, Foxy is 9. Freddy and Bonnie are both 10. Well, Freddy is 11 and I'm 12.
Oh, well that sucks.
Yeah, well, I'm older than them and I'm probably older than you, so just get out of here. Okay?
Fine. I'll be back though. It won't stop me from stalking Bonnie.
Just shut up. What? It was just 1 o'clock a minute ago. Now it's like 4:30. What is going on? Must be one of Freddy's clocks messed up. You know what? I forgot what I was even doing in here. I'm just gonna leave.